Camera is on. Hello. Let's have a really quick update from me at my home and what's going on in the back garden. Not that you can see it, but I've got the strawberry pot placed just in front of me. About a month ago I bought that strawberry plant from a garden centre. It is pumping out strawberries, people, which is hardly surprising because when I bought it I did choose the one that was in flower the most and looked like it was going to explode with strawberries, and it seems to be doing just that. So thumbs up, people. First time I've ever attempted to grow a strawberry plant badly, it has to be said. I'll show you the strawberries in a minute, and yeah, I think that'll be that, unless inspiration strikes. Strawberries. You may remember that I planted this little strawberry plant in this long trough here. It's bone dry, I know, I've got to give it some water. But let's have a look at this little cluster of beauties here. Good times. Strawberries have come to allotment grow how in 2020. There's another one there. Another one there. I can actually smell them. I can get that strawberry smell coming from them. So yeah, there we go. A little bit of excitement. And as you can see, I've got some more babies on the way. Yes. I've had mixed results with the sweet corn, as you can see. I planted out 12 seeds, 10 grew, and then 5 decided to die. So I've got 5 fairly healthy sweet corn seedlings, and 5 that have just, yeah, not done so well. So I'm going to resow some seeds, and hopefully, as long as I get another 5 or 6, that'll be okay. I'll plant them out in the back garden. I've had a few casualties. This courgette has bitten the dust, as did my attempt at a giant pumpkin this year. They both died. And then I've got just one, I don't even know what that is, bean doing something really weird. So yeah, the realities of gardening life. Let's have a look at the potato forest which is growing in my back garden. I think I told you I planted a lot of my first earlies in these tubs and potato bags. Rocket was the variety, but I also planted out some Mayan gold. No, not Mayan gold, Mayan rose in this particular tub here, and this one here. And there's a slightly different look to the stem of this plant. I suppose the leaf a little bit. So these are just the first earlies. I don't know if it's showing up very well on the camera. You can definitely see a slight difference in the leaf and stem, like I said. Anyway, these guys escaped the frost that we had a week or so ago. I didn't cover them, I just left them and just crossed my fingers, and they've done okay. In fact, they've done better than okay. It looks like they're really flourishing. So yeah, these spuds are looking in tip-top condition. Well, that's it for this particular video. Hardly worth shouting about, was it? I just eaten those strawberries, they were delicious. But there are things going on up at the plot, which I will update you with in the next video. So yeah, keep it gripped, people. It's really exciting. And yeah, until that particular adventure, I will sign off. Thank you for joining me. If you have, remember to hit that like button, share, subscribe if you want, but most importantly, please do comment down below. And until the next one, bye for now. Subscribe.